Hi everybody. I'm just really quickly making this video to show some people what has taken me a long time to figure out myself. So this is if you're trying to proof images on your computer. Mine is I'm proofing it for my photography printer, who prints on Hahnemühle paper, which gives a lot of flexibility for color, but I still have issues. So if you're proofing your colors and your colors are getting blown out, this is a helpful way I've found to fix this issue. If you go to view, of course, you'll see your gamut warning, and these gray areas are areas that will most likely look bad once printed by your printer. So again, Hahnemühle offers a huge range of colors, but I'm still having some issues with colors being blown out. So to focus on this problem area, I'm just going to follow a few quick steps. So the first thing we're going to do is to narrow it down to our problem areas, which is up here. Select color range. And I didn't know this was here until ChatGPT told me, but we have out of gamut. And so it'll narrow it down to almost all of our problem areas, but it includes a lot of extras. And so again, we need to continue focusing on our problem areas. So to do that, I'm going to create a new layer based off of this, Control J. And now I want to select with my lasso, with my new layer selected. And we're only highlighting the problem area. It doesn't have to be exact at all by any means. And we're going to go ahead and turn this off. And now we're going to create another adjustment layer with saturation. And then you can easily remove the problem area very quickly and easily. And the good thing is it doesn't affect the colors in any other parts of your picture. Well, as you can see, it's just this one area, and you really don't need to make too many changes. Just a very slight change will give you the correction you need, and hopefully it's almost indistinguishable. We can check. And for me, this is pretty good. And for me, this works. There's not a lot of color differentiation. Our problem areas are gone. And as you can see, there's no other issues with our gamut. So again, this is an extremely helpful way to change colors, but for me, this is helpful to change colors for my printer. So I know that what comes out of the printer is going to be as perfect as possible.